All right, so before we wrap up, we need to take care of this thing. As a revenge from the cranberry challenge, we did the fruitcake smackdown. If you recall, the 30 caliber slug basically penetrated it. Knocked it back pretty good, but I'm assuming this 58 caliber is going to do wonders on this fruitcake. So let's get rid of this nasty thing. Here we go. Check that out. That is crazy. Wicked. So that damn fruitcake is pretty dense. Didn't really mess it up too much. Blew a huge hole out the backside. So yeah, this fruitcake is a lot more substantial and dense versus cranberry sauce. But all right, so there it is, the 58 caliber Outlaw. Man, I absolutely love this thing. Super excited to see what it can do. There's a lot of tweaks I want to do with this. I'm going to be putting some new grips on it from Maverick Stone, who makes awesome components for Crosman-based pistols. So I'll be setting up the pistol with those here pretty soon. So right now I have no sights on this thing, so I'm going to be pairing it with a Hawk Optics red dot. I'm going to be getting the Micro Reflex red dot. This thing is awesome. This 3 MOA red dot is perfect for precision shooting. So I'll be setting that up on the gun. We'll be doing some accuracy testing down the road, but I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. This is Chris with Up North Air Gunner. Take care.